Okay, we currently have no sweet name because she's the birthday girl. Hey. Hey, hey.
You want to not wear these to this, or can you not see?
Oh, I missed the ass.
That's like my kidney! Hang on!
Just put them down somewhere.
Are you not going to wear them for this?
Yeah.
Okay.
I can see fine.
Well, I don't know how to get your lenses. I'm going to put them in the house.
Ah, crap, mine aren't unloading. Stop there! No! You won't let me.
Did I shoot you?
It won't let me.
Do that.
Oh, wait. Hey, what? Here. Hold on. Where'd it go? He's gonna come around this way, I know it.
I could be sneaky because I have one.
I know you're around here.
Where's it? Hello? Hi.
Where is he?
Thank you. It's calling me old.
Dude, he's around here somewhere. He's gonna freaking pump one of us.
I know.
Ooh, dude, get your balls. Ew, one got in the water.
I know.
Hey! I see you!
I feel old. I'm gonna get shot.
Oh my god.
I with my head.
Hey!
What's
Shoot.
going on? I'm not like crazy head.
Because.
How do you talk into it? Wow, you're too close. It hurt.
Oh, you guys are wusses. Don't you dare get me. I'm too close.